So here we are at an old church in St. Elizabeth. It's called the Duppy Church. A Duppy is a ghost. So you can see all the graves are way overgrown. And this is the old chapel, the bell tower. Jamaicans are very superstitious and they have no interest in coming in a place like this, but for adventurers like me, I want to see it all. Back there's the pulpit. I don't know if I can get to it. Here we go. This was probably gorgeous in its day. There's still some remnants on the walls. That's a big ant nest there. Or maybe termites. The Duppy Church in St. Elizabeth. I just found $20.